Now, once you're on the road, oh, guys, you just, first off, love the power that the V8 engine output. It is just super, super impressive. Again, over 520 horsepower, twin turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 engine is just absolutely fantastic. But they've done here for the 2023 model year is just increase the body rigidity and really just improved handling characteristics, especially too with that all-wheel steering. With, again, the rear wheels can go for 7.3 degrees out of phase with the front wheels. So it really just feels like a much smaller, more nimble vehicle than it used to. And that really is, again, just super, super noticeable, especially when you're driving on some back roads like these, which have lots of tight turns and hills. Really, really impressive. The transmission, super smooth. I really think they did a great job with the gearing. It always seems to be in the right gear, whether you're going up a hill or into turns. Really nice gearing on the transmission, smooth shifts, and they're decently quick as well. But yeah, guys, once again, just driving this car, the 2023 new, all new version is just a significant upgrade, especially in terms of handling and offering just that sportier driving experience has just really come through here with that added technology that they've used to improve, again, the body rigidity, the rear wheel steering, and it just really is something else. It just feels like a whole different vehicle than it used to, and it feels much more nimble. You'd be surprised being in a parking lot, parking this vehicle. It really just honestly parks like a small car, and it really is just super impressive. Really do love that. Hats off to the JLR team for making such a nimble, large vehicle.